Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video I will be showing you how I cook my Congolese food. Mbote na bino suba famille, merci ndenge bozongi suli boso na ngai na video leo na kolaksa bino ndenge nini na lambaka pondu na ngai. Please guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. This is pondu. Pondu is cassava leaves. So ezali pondu na ngai yango nazo lamba. And this is chicken, soft chicken for kids. O ezali soso ya pete pona bana. And this is hard chicken wilkie for adult, for us. O ezali soso makasi pona biso mikolo. In my pondu, I'm gonna mix with na aubergine, and then I will put 5 magic. Yeah, 5 cube magic. Now go tell you 5 cube magic, and then I'm gonna mix with garlic. This is garlic. Now go sang ayi, and I'll mix with spring onion. Now go tell you ndembi oil, and then this is onion. I'll use only 2 onion and 1 for chicken. Now go say kaka de matungulu moko pona chicken. Yeah, I'm gonna add dry fish. This is dry fish, mbisi ya kokauka ngolo. Green pepper, 2 green pepper on it, on my pondu. And in my pondu, I'm gonna add pishad. This is pishad in tomato sauce. Nakosangisa yango na pisha oiza na tomato sauce. It's really nice. It tastes nice. If you never used this before, try it. You'll see. Nakolamba yango na pisha oiza la kitoko meka. You never know. This one is palm oil, so I stopped using this one much anymore because it has too much fat on it. Stop using, but today I don't have choice because normally I start using olive oil, but they don't have it in the shop. I always buy it. They don't have it today, but I don't have choice because I have to cook. Me, when it's my day off, I don't play with my day off. I try my best to do what I can do. So guys, as you know me, I am busy woman. So when it's my day off, I don't play. So I don't have choice. I'm gonna use this today. Normalement, aside la rapena su mafuta ote po izalina bafati bele, so I stop using aside la ngopena sote. Mena na shwate le na aside la onka po na aside la olive oil wana na shop na somba bazana ngote yango na lelo eza journée na ngai donc ngatanga eza journée na ngai na saka na raté na sala pena ona koko sala ponga na za trop busy na za pena trop occupé na za mambo belé ya sala donc soki na zuita ko sala loko il faut na sala yango soki te ma trop. This one is paprika. Paprika is really nice on the food. Try, you will see it. Ezali paprika is apena bien na biloko. Yango na osala yango na chicken. I'm gonna use this on the chicken. And this one is ginger powder. This is the one I'm gonna use on the chicken. Ezali tanga wisi pusi yango na osala yango na soso na ngai. And this one is all pepper season. This is the one I'm gonna use on the chicken. Ezali all pepper season. You wanna osala ngona sauce na ngai. Et puis on my chicken, I'll use 1 onion, and then I'll use red pepper and yellow pepper. Yeah, this is white semolina. We don't eat yellow semolina anymore because yellow semolina, it has a lot of fat on it. So we prefer to eat white semolina. Ezali semoli ya pembe tolia kaso semoli ya jaune te pour parce que semoli ya jaune ezalaka na minene ebele e komisaka bato minene yango totika kolia yango. Of course, this is rice. This is rice for my kids. Yeah, my kids, they're gonna eat rice. Yeah, this is basmati rice. Yeah, the rice for my kids. Ezali loso yango na bana nga bakolia loso. Ezali basmati loso oyo ezalaka bien yango bana ngai bakolia. So I'm gonna start washing them, cut them, and then mix with pondu. Nangina banasko kosokola ngo pona chang na pondu nangai. I love pondu. Pondu is my favorite dish on Congolese food. Pondu is my favorite food. Pondu, it doesn't have fat on it. Pondu is vegetable. Look at how much vegetable are mixed on it. Look at how much, apart from this yellow pondu, there's no fat on it. It depends on you, the way you cook. If you put a lot of that mafuta mbila, that's your problem. Nga pena na mona ka pondu eza pena biloko moko bien ezalaka nango na fat te po parce que otie ba vegetable belé ezo dépend. Soko lambi na mafuta belé awane komi problème na yo moko. put my pondu here on the pot already. I take pondu and nzumu. As a lady or as a woman, we don't count how much water we put on the food, but it depends on you. So now this one is 1 liter, so I add 1 liter. I think it's not enough, but I'm gonna add more, so 2 liters. Yeah, I put 2 liters. Look at how much it is. The pondu is there. I put 2 liters. So we're gonna mix everything together. Voila. This is how it looks. See? I put everything here. This is my magic. I told you guys. Open them. Where is the liquid magic? And then I say give you water 5 cube magic. Water 5. And the reason I'm using 5 magic because I'm not gonna use salt. Yeah, I don't put salt a lot on my food. So now the reason I just add 5 magic parce que na taka pena biloko mumu wa peza penate. So yeah, I think it's gonna be enough. If it's not enough, I'm gonna add a little bit salt, but I don't think so. So que kokite na robaksa mumu wa ba, I don't think naza sirte. 5 yango match 5. This is pisha. Can you see it? Pisha in tomato sauce. I warm up a little bit. Yeah, I warm up a little bit. It's a little bit warm. That's why you can see it. Na shofango munkipo izaki kokangama. So yango nazo chayango. Like I'm gonna use everything. So let's open. As my mom teach me how to cook, when you put food like this, you put everything. Do not mix it. Do not touch. Leave this food alone. Do not touch. Ndenge balakisa nga kolamba soko te biloko nyonso to boy basimba lisuté tika yango ebela pena solo mafuta ya mobesu ebima basimba kate oya ko balola kaka soko ekomi ready. You can only mix it, touch when it's ready, but if it's not ready yet, do not mix, do not touch, because you're gonna mess up. It goes on sola mobesu. All right, guys, this is my gas cooker. I don't like electricity cooker because it cooks slow, so I prefer the gas one. Ezali resho nangai ezali ya gas na lingaka ya courant po ewume elambaka biloko malembe. So right now I'm gonna turn it on so to start cooking. Na go pelisa moto to banda kolamba. You have to cook dry fish before you put it on, but not for long, otherwise it's gonna be too soft. Nako toksambisi ya kukauka ndenge to yebi mepo na tangu mulaite. So I put in the cooker, add water. This is the dry fish here. Dry fish. So let's leave that. As you can see, my dry fish is ready. So normally for me, I cook for 10-20 minutes is enough. I don't like that. The more you keep it for long, the more it becomes so soft. I don't like when it's soft. So I'm gonna nagarda na po na tango laite. By 20-10 minutes, c'est bon. Hein? Pour na lingate et comme pete makasi. So now I'm gonna add my dry fish inside the pondu. Yeah, inside the cassava leaves. Now uchambisa ukaukana sikoyo na pondu. You can see everything is going there. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, let's cover. Natimbisa ukaukana na kati. As I said before, the way my mom teach me how to cook, do not touch. Leave this food alone. Do not touch, do not mix it. You can only open to see it, but do not mix it, do not touch. Nenga mama nanga lakisanga so ti biloko nyonso tube na biloko nyonso so lamba soko ti biloko nyonso tube babala rasute. Il faut tika ngo pena po soko baloli eza solo mobeso. Donc faut tika ngo pena ebela. Donc ndenge za boy I leave it. Even 45 minutes, even 1 hour, even 35 minutes, I'm not going to mix it. I'll just come and have a look, that's it, but I'm not going to mix it. Because if you mix it, it's going to smell like it's not ready to eat. So it's not going to taste nice anymore. So that's why when you put everything together, do not touch, don't touch it. So ko te biloko nyonso tu boye basimba te mutu mutaza ndenge na lamba batu mususu ba che ba baloli mais na réalité pe ndenge ba mama na biso ba na Afrique ba no lamba soki ba che biloko nyonso ba bala te ata na sauce amade soko che ba balola jamais. Il faut tika yango ebela po sola mobesu ezala te. Check our cassava leaves pondu to see what's going on here. To check pondu na biso to ebela niveau nini. Let's have a look. Wow. Ooh. Look at that. Sincere. To check it ko pondu na biso depuis na chaki yango na fongolo nka siko since I told you guys. Can you see it? See? It's not a lot of oil on it. There's not a lot. And yeah, you can see the bafami pondu nanga bomo ndenge pondu nange beli eza nango na mafuta ibele te bomona eza na mafuta ebele te ba nga linga biloko ezala pena na sauce na mwa soupe ezala bien. Donc soki bana ba olianga mususu na semoule foma soupe ezala ya okauka bona linga yango te. Donc pondu nangai ebele. My cassava leaves is ready to eat. You can see it's ready. Yeah, hot chicken. Yeah, comes like this. You see this one, too fat? No, don't eat this. Too much fat on it. Tala. Oyo penza no kolia ngote. Yangwa ndiza na mafuta naka. This one, I'm sorry. After tomorrow, you add more weight. Not this one. Not this. Don't eat this. Neck, yes. You keep neck without fat. Yeah, this is my chicken. Even chicken, do not add water. Ngana soso na ngana chaka mai teso na otokisa ngo. You can see it has water already, a little bit water. Do not add water. No, leave this alone. But I'm not gonna put everything now. I'll just put a little bit because I'll leave a little bit for sauce. I'm gonna make sauce with that. Na gochanga nyoso tute na gochanga kandambu pona tokisa na nuko après on na bomba ndambu na sauce. I'll just use a little bit. So I'm gonna use my garlic and ginger. You can see it, garlic and ginger. I use only 1 spoon. Nate tangawis isangana na garlic, tangawis isangana na ai. Na chia yango kaka dutu moko. Chill powder. na osala oyo ezali pilipili ya poussière. Paprika na osala oyo ezali paprika. Oyo ezali pepper season. It's only one chicken. Do not put a lot of season on it. I'll add 2 magic cube. 2 magic cube here. Na tie de cube magie. Na tie de cube magie. Yango yo. Na tie moko na tie moko wana. So last one, I'm gonna use this jumbo. Can you see it? Jumbo. This is the yellow one, yeah. This is the yellow one. The yellow one. It has salt on it. So do not put a lot, otherwise you're gonna mess up your food. So oyo ezali jimbo na biso to yebi ya jaune wana ezala deja na mungwa. Yango na esenga pena ko tshanga ebele te po ezobimisa biloko na mungwa ebele. Only 1 spoon because I use a magic cube already. Yeah. Na osala ka lutu mo po se na teki deja nini o. Nini wana cube magic. Guys, you see, as I say, I did not add water yet, but look at how much it is there. Look at how much water is there already. Bande ona bomoni bino ko to boyebi na bino na chena nga mai te bomwende dimisi mai ebele mai pene ebele yangwana donga na toksa soso na boye na tika ngo pene bota mai yango moko yeah yango moko bota pena mai nango. Après, ce que na meki na moni ke lembi na ntena bakisi mai. So add nothing my red pepper. Yeah. So I'm gonna add my red pepper, my yellow pepper, and then my onion. Yeah. I add my onion. I want my chicken to be dry because I have a little bit taba. God meat I make last time. I have a little bit left, so I want my chicken to have a little bit sauce on it. So I don't like dry food. So yeah, that's why I'm making this sauce for chicken. Lingi kolia sauce ezala ya kokauka na lingi ezana mwa sauce mkepo parce que naza deja na taba na salaki tabanda mwiti kalaki yango nde na kolela yango loko yango eza ya kokauka. Voilà. You see? This is it. And again, I'll still add season on it because that season was for chicken, but this one is for sauce. If you did not add any season, when you're eating, you can feel it. There's no season on the sauce. I always add a little bit season on the sauce as well. So not much, just a little bit because I'm gonna add 1 magic cube on it. Add water on it because it needs to be cooked. Remember, tomato is there. Tomato needs to be cooked properly. Otherwise, it's gonna taste like it's not cooked properly. So you have to cook. Yeah. Na kobakisa mai biso moto yebi po tomato ebela. Kosoki tomato ebeli te ezala sola mubesu. So I'm gonna use oil from here. See how clever I am? Yes. Na sali ka biso sto yebi na biso na sali ka oil elimina soso ya momoko. Donc then biso nyo sto yebi na biso ka kwa. When I make a chicken like this, I put water so it's not gonna burn. Yeah. Put some mai before ezitate utebi manakole mo kitoko. Okay guys, this is our chicken sauce. Look at the way it is now. But for me, always a little sauce na nga o na osala po na soso bomoni ndenge komi bomanga linga biloko la buka na ezala boye ke ezala mibima bima na linga bongo te bomoni ndenge komi sauce na nga. So this is my chicken sauce. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put chicken inside and mix everything together. But for me, loko le komi boye ebeli eza pe na solanga itenga esili po pena na lambi yango ya kolamba. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ajukole elo na osala na ko sangisa yango siko na soso na yango. So now I mix my chicken inside. Like this. chili powder. I do put chili powder in their food. Natina about pay more keep on a santé so chili powder, 1 magic cube, mix it, 1 spoon. So I'm not gonna add water. I'll just keep it now for 10 minutes and then take it out and put it in oven. Yeah? So I always try. So guys, can you see this is our chicken, how it looks now? So ready, but it's not ready to eat yet because I'm not finishing cooking yet. So normally I always cook like this for 10-20 minutes just to making sure that the food is cooked well. I don't want my kid to eat like uncooked properly food. I don't like it. Nalinga teba nanga bale bilogeza la mwaja. Nalinga pena kozasir pena ke na lambia ona bomo na ba makila wana. Dona linga pena na lambia ona bo ezina mwa muye ya moto ya kolamba po elongo ya ba makila na pena na zasir na kati pe ekoti pe sauce bien elamba mi ata mwanda ba po esko na tumbi yango. So yeah, I think my chicken is ready. My chicken is ready. You can see my chicken is ready. So sinange komi ready. So now I'm gonna put this in oven. Now na full siko. So now I'm gonna start putting them here to put them on oven. Okay. Now when I watch hour, gonna put this on na full. I like my food to cook well. On a pena bleu, on a la pena très bien. Let me turn the lights on so we can see. Can you see? It's there cooking. Open. Get see. See? It's there cooking nicely, quietly. Yeah. Natika mo siko boye lamba mapena bien pena yango yomoni. Natia mo na four. Natia na moto makasi te natika mo boye ezota nango. Can you see guys? Yeah. It's cooking slowly. Yeah. Let's close the door, leave it to cook. Only 2 cups of rice. Na tika deko popo ba nanga baolia na bango semonte baolia loso. So na cheka abwe na nies nanga paza awa yepe na ebite soko olia semonte ba loso mais na tika deko po. You need to wash, make sure you wash your rice properly. Zasi osokoli loso na bien pour ba produire na basako ya chaka na pena kati pour egg. So when you put 2 cups of rice, you have to put 4 cups of water. So ko che 2 cups loso il faut chaka 4 mai. Dans un copo moko ils ont la valeur ya 2 cups. Mais le na sokola on a channel 3 pour na lingi ebi mambuma. That's it. So I'm gonna add salt. Just a little bit, not a lot. And then I'm gonna add oil. That's it. And leave this to cook. So this one is for semolina. I'm gonna make semolina right now. My way is a little na semol, na usara semol siko to make semolina. My semolina is already. Go make siko na usara semol. So this is farine fécule. Semolina is ready, fat free. What semolina, semolina ngebeli ya pembe eza pe ya kolia. Semolina pembe eza na fat te, eza nini makasi te, fat free. I use this bowl to keep the semolina warm. Nasala kasala oko egamu kuna toujours ezala moto. Ready to eat. White semol, fat free. Semola pembe eza na fat te. Taba, mipandi, sosa makasi na pondu, hot chicken, ribs, and goat meat. And this is rice and pondu for my daughter. Yep, ready to eat. Yes, I'm done.